Hello everyone, and welcome back. Viewers are warmly welcome to the channel, where the focus is on helping learners use natural, everyday English with confidence. In this lesson, the topic is how to describe a daily routine in English. This is a very common subject in conversation. Whether in casual discussions, professional settings, or simple small talk, people often talk about their everyday lives. The approach is designed to be simple and engaging. Examples of typical routines are presented, along with useful vocabulary and clear explanations. To begin, it is important to note that everyone's routine is different. Some people prefer early mornings, while others are more active later in the day. There is no single, correct, routine. A typical day often starts in the morning. Some individuals wake up early and begin their day calmly, perhaps stretching or taking a few quiet moments before getting out of bed. Others may prefer to stay in bed a little longer or delay their alarm before finally waking up. Morning habits vary widely. Some people avoid distractions and focus on simple tasks like making the bed right away, which helps create a sense of order. Others may check their phones first, although this is often considered a habit worth improving. After getting up, the next step usually involves going to the bathroom. Common activities include brushing teeth, washing the face, and taking a shower. Some prefer longer, relaxing showers, while others choose quicker ones to save time. Once ready, getting dressed depends on the day's plans. For professional situations, more formal clothing may be chosen, while casual and comfortable outfits are common for relaxed or work-from-home days. Breakfast is another important part of the routine. Some people opt for simple meals with coffee, while others prefer healthier options like grains, fruit, or tea. Personal preferences play a big role here. After eating, it is common to clean up immediately to keep the space tidy. This small habit can make the rest of the day feel more organized. The next phase is heading to work or starting the workday. Some individuals commute by car, often listening to music or podcasts along the way. Others use public transportation, where they might read, listen to audio content, or simply observe their surroundings and relax. Overall, daily routines are personal and flexible. However, being able to describe them clearly in English is a valuable skill that helps in many everyday conversations.